Hey girlfriends and wild roosters, so you have two very well ripened bananas and you have no idea what the heck to do with it. So let me show you how to make the yummiest, chocolatiest, creamiest banana creamy goodness in less than 2 minutes or less. Yes, two minutes or less. So you have the two well-ripened bananas, we know that already. We're gonna peel it, put it in a bowl. And by the way, you can keep the banana peels or any other fruit or vegetable peels, and they make excellent compost. Much better than what you buy at the store, and that way you can also do some really good gardening. So we have the two very well ripened bananas in the glass bowl. We're just gonna go ahead and kind of crush it with a fork. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add 2 tablespoonfuls cocoa powder. Love chocolate, so I put 2 huge tablespoonfuls, actually a little bit more because I do love chocolate and cocoa powder. It's very healthy, so heck, why not? Then we're gonna add, and you already know that I love tiger nut oil. That's my favorite. I put that in everything. 2 tablespoonfuls at least. Once again, don't be scared, don't be afraid of good oil, good fat. Good fat is essential for your health. And then, now you can skip this part if you're vegan. Then you just don't put the half and half, or if you're gonna put cream in it, that's fine. I love, has been using the A2A milk and half and half and cream. But any kind of cream is gonna, or half and half is gonna do the trick. So once again, put 2 tablespoonfuls in there. And if you're vegan, obviously, like I said, you skip that part. And then we're just gonna go ahead and mix it up real good. You will see how the cocoa powder is starting to make the mixture more and more chocolatey, and the banana is kind of, because it's already so well ripened, it's getting creamier and creamier by the second. And of course, because the banana is basically at that stage virtually all sugar, you don't even have to add any sweetener to it, because all that sugar in the banana is actually gives it all the sweetness you need, even with all that cocoa powder in it. So now we pretty much have this beautiful creamy mixture ready, and we are ready to put this in a nice serving cup or bowl, whatever you want to use. really good. So you are just going to put this in your serving dish because it's done. It's ready. That's it. That's all it took. And then this creamy, chocolatey, oh, heavenly, one more, heavenly, yummy, amazing, incredible creation is ready to serve. So if you are not vegan, just put some whipped cream on top. I like lots of whipped cream. And then, if you really want to be creative, you can put some nuts on it, like crumble some walnuts or pecans or whatever you like. I like to crumble them like this. I don't know why, but I do. And there you go. You have it ready. It didn't even take 2 minutes. Look at how beautiful. Ready for tasting. And I'm just gonna use my whipped cream little spoon. So good. Got to go. See you guys.